guys, we're with Trash Bag Vlogs, or also known as Mason. Oh, well, I ended up breaking my hand, but
you punched your wall being dumb.
Yeah. Anywho, we got Lance too. We're at the park. We're having fireworks today.
I have it too. I just don't remember the name of it.
It's just, isn't it like Lance Hines or something? Here,
Touch you with my.
Show your hands to the camera. we light a little hand off.
We're having
Ooh.
But yeah.
I killed it.
What was it?
Lightning bug.
Why did you kill a lightning bug? But yeah, hey, Mace, when we get up there to the concession stand, I'm gonna need you to hold my phone where I can
record it.
Say hi to his channel. And say hi to my channel on his video. I'll link it below. He'll link me below his. But Mace, when we get up there to the concession stand, I'm gonna give you my phone.
Okay. Let's go wash your hands first.
Oh yeah, they have to go wash their hands. Where are you washing it at? In the water? In the river?
Where would we wash it?
Sheets are down there. I think we
Just wash it in the creek.
True.
just wash it in the water fountain.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oh, because kids drink from that.
No, that's clean water.
Yeah, hey. But
We don't want to eat the stuff in the river. No, you have to go down.
Well, who cares?
Yeah, and so I haven't.
We're matching.
Me and Lance are matching, but in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna have a new intro. So just yo guys, but yeah, it's a little embarrassing recording, but you know, screw it, you know. So much to the Hey Madison. What's happening over here, huh?
Hold this one on, please.
What's happening over here, huh?
Sigma.
I got it.
Hold it down so I can wash my hands. He did that exact same move to me.
Don't get me. You got it? Oh, wait! You want to wash your shirt now? Hey, look at his. Bro, look at his shirt.
I covered it in
Look at
ash.
his shirt.
Well, it's actually
Are
just
you still
wet.
recording? Yeah. Alright, come on.
Okay, let's go. Those are the people that call Vlad.
Oh, is it really?
Yes.
Oh,
Remember that?
who's it? He's the called Wyatt pedophile. Oh, by the way, Mason, you're gonna have to help me record this.
Don't record this part.
Or not record.
Cut,
but...
Ryan. Cut for now.
Alright, we'll be back after we get our food.
Alright, ooh, that's warm.
Oh, Coquino's.
Well, they're all the way up there.
Oh, I think it exploded in my pocket.
Wait, no. Wait, the car's gonna be locked. That's fine. We can eat on the thing.
Yeah. And also, I need to plug in. I think my phone is literally broken.
I don't know where my mom is, though. It's the thing. So we
You can
can't.
call her.
She's looking for.
I know, but I can't. I don't want to end my video.
You'll live. You can all edit this.
Just record eating.
Oh no,
Died.
I'm gonna time lapse this.
It took
again.
15 seconds before that.
Leland, hi. Here. 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 Somewhat of a prison.
Look, our guy. I got money.
Nice. I'm recording a YouTube video. I literally am. Oh, let's go. Ooh. Bro, I'll do side again. That's gonna be my thumbnail.
Well, now I can't see.
What?
I focused on that, and now my eyes.
He's not a pro YouTuber.
And I also got a whole bunch of smoke in my eyes.
Oh, hey, Mason. How about we time lapse us eating?
It's gonna be like 2 seconds.
I know.
But womp womp.
It smells like there's 3 minute pizzas. I'm pretty sure that's what these are.
They're not 3-minute pizzas.
They're not.
They're good pizzas.
No,
They're
they're.
the same thing. That's what I'm saying.
Look.
I'm gonna get ash in my eyes.
Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Mason. You about tipped it.
I would have taken it off the ground. I'm not.
Oh, look, it's sunny now. Bro, it was raining here earlier. But what? Oh, yeah, by the way, y'all, my real name's Grayson. I don't think I've told you guys. Oh, car. Run. Run. Don't want to get hit by a car. But yeah, that was my cousin that I saw earlier. So if you guys wanted to know. My cousin Leland.
Bro, they're just like.
It's locked.
I need to plug in my phone because it's dead, but.
Wop into the libbity
Wait,
wop
does it
wop.
charge without the car on?
Sometime. Okay, well, we're about to hit a time lapse of us eating. So.
I want the photo.
Go fast.
I don't care. I'm almost done.
You can talk to them, they'll hear you.
Really good pizza. Would recommend if you're in Ohio somewhere. I don't know.
We can't tell you our location. That's actually technically illegal.
It's actually not.
Yeah, it is.
Actually, we
Technically,
live
you're
in.
not supposed to give out your
Listen,
location
we
on
live an
video.
hour away from here. We just wanted to come see the fireworks.
Yeah.
It's West Liberty.
Yep.
I'm not gonna tell you our house location. We live in Oklahoma, actually. We're visiting family here from because we're Alabamians or whatever country.
Oklahomans?
Yeah. And we just bonded one day here,
They've
Yep.
seen my location. I've told them my location on YouTube.
like
You
actual house.
idiot.
I said the town. That's all I said.
Oh,
So you could just say the town. You're just not supposed to give out your house.
We're at West Liberty.
West Liberty, Ohio. Oh!
And if you want people to send you packages in the future, you tell them a post office is near you. You don't tell them your house.
That's true, too.
And they'll.
I don't even know the post office location here. Well, I know it's on.
I'm done.
You can just say you can find it on. You can give the coordinates.
Ooh, Popo. Whoop, whoop.
I was a little bit scared that they were gonna yell at us for bringing these over here. The police. I know they're legal. Everything here is legal. I wish we kind of just left them out of the park. Because now we could have kept doing them, but
Are you still time lapsing? Skibbity! Sigma mule! Did you even time lapse during the whole thing?
it's.
Oh.
I time lapse for eating, but
Want the skibbity?
but you know that.
Want the skibbity?
What you friend? This is my video.
You can do it on my video.
Bro, look. Growing a beard.
I know you are.
Yeah, I know.
Come here.
Crap.
What the-
Do
guys,
not rip it out.
God dang.
I mean, it will grow back in like
Here.
a day or two.
Come here.
No, you're not ripping it out.
I hate.
Ripping
If
what
anything,
out?
I'm gonna cut it.
Ripping what out?
You're gonna
Beard.
cut yourself? You said, if anything, I'm gonna cut.
I said I'm gonna cut it.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna get a trash can.
Wait, what time is it, Mason?
Oh, I'm video.
I can't see. My phone died.
What
5
time
minutes
is it,
ago.
Mason?
We don't need to know the time.
Well, I want to know it. I'm checking your phone.
No, don't.
You don't have to worry. It's back.
Why do you film yours like this?
You know, you could just do this, right?
Guys,
Boom.
come on.
Large.
Trash can.
You can go do it. We'll be right here.
Okay, Mom. Wait, where's the trash
We're
can?
filming.
What?
I need to flip it so it'll actually see you. What the skip it? They can see your head.
It's like,
Yeah, they can see you.
is it this camera?
Yeah, it's that camera. The other camera isn't really cut off either, but. Shoot. Do you know? I wish yours had like that thumbprint or something, or the code, so you could just enter the code. It doesn't have brakes, by the way.
I know. Guess what? You know what it has? It has a clutch.
You should call your grandma and see.
What the? In the video. We will be right back. I'm gonna be calling my mother.
Because we want to start it the way I'm gonna do.
Mason, how did you do this?
Set it right here.
No, he didn't. Mason, how did you do this?
Got it on the windshield wiper?
Like that?
Yeah.
Just can't hit this.
No, I need to put-
You idiot.
Alrighty.
Or you could have just.
Bro, that was so real.
You could have just gone like this. Put your phone right there.
Just do it, I guess.
Well, yeah, because it's gonna be more.
It's so sick.
Wait,
Those transitions, you'd be like, "How rate my transition?" Bro was a master transition.
Shots fired! Shots fired! How did you do the slants?
You just have to get it like directly on there, like straight up. It'll catch in the windshield wiper a little bit.
Yes!
Sigibbity, Sigma mules. I don't know. I have a lot of words. I hope these things still work. Time to test them. This is the only way to test them. Put them in. I can hear them. Oh, cracker.
Oh, cracker? The cracker. I'm finding someone. Oh.
Let's see.
I look so sad. You say that you're gay. English or Spanish?
I asked him English or Spanish.
English and English or Spanish.
What?
But he knew.
You got something in your nose.
Oh, God.
I'm not hungry. I have barely ate anything these past days, but
I can't stop. God.
I
Ooh.
used to eat like a snack every like 5 hours. Now I've ate like
Hey,
4.
did you expect that?
Oh crap! I might
Hey, so
throw
leave
up.
that in your video. Please.
Did you record you taking it?
I think so.
You're a double chin, bro.
Let's see. I did. Wait,
We're just gonna chill.
You turned off my phone.
Well, not. Huh?
I'm chilling.
I don't.
I'm being trolling.
I see a fireman.
That's not ours. I'm surprised you haven't tried taking my phone yet, Mason.
I don't care.
Honk. Huh?
Is that Derek?
Where?
No.
Where? In the car?
It looks like his car.
Where's your phone?
In the sky.
Check it.
He said he wasn't coming. Did you? No, he's at Sam's house.
Yeah, but they might have all came in. Who knows? That's.
Call him.
I'm not gonna call him because he is at Sam's house.
Where's my mom?
He's not here.
He's at Sam's. I didn't know Sam lived that far out. I honestly thought he was coming into town. I wonder if Wyatt's here. You should call him.
Huh?
Call Wyatt. See if he's coming in.
I'm not calling him.
Because he's off work. He's been off. I can't.
Mason, are you done with your video?
There's no point in filming right now.
This is gonna waste my space.
Yeah, and it's
I'm just gonna wait till they're about to get ready for fireworks.
Oh.
call Wyatt.
I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, sounds like you're bouncing more, Mason.
Guess I did.
Oh, did I?
Yes.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mason. I feel like I'll count Mason's spot. Huh?
Stuck an extra chair in so he wouldn't have to sit on the ground on a pillow.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's about to start, y'all. Doing for 6 minutes. How far you zoomed in?
What?
You zoomed into one house. Here. Which one says? Yeah, I'll do it empty, Nathan. So. I wish y'all could feel the bass. Maybe you can in the video, I don't know.
I can't feel it.
Shut up. But y'all put his videos or his channel in the description where you guys can go check it out and see his point of view. Up here inside. You guys didn't hear what I said. I said his video in the description, or his video channel in the description. You can see his point of view in videos. So.
I don't want to enjoy the moment.